Replacing squeeze tubes on your Hobart commercial dishwasher.
These instructions are only intended for use by experienced, trained professionals and should not be used by anyone else. Before servicing equipment, you must fully review your product's instruction manual, which must be followed in all respects. Warning: disconnect the electrical power to the machine and follow lockout, tagout procedures before starting. Before handling dish machine chemicals, always use personal protective equipment, including appropriate gloves and eye protection, and follow chemical supplier instructions for handling, as described in the Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS. When new squeeze tubes are needed, order the Welco Tube Replacement Kit, Part 00949651000004. To replace the chemical pump squeeze tubes on AM16 door-type models, remove the chemical box cover by removing the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. There are 2 screws on each side. Pull on the pump snap cover to remove it. Remove the cam and tube from the chemical pump. Remove the clamps and tube and pull them away from the sensor. Prepare the new tube by sliding the spring over the tube and then installing the spring clamps on each end. Reconnect the tubing to the discharge tube with the spring on the discharge side of the pump, opposite the sensor side. Note: do not over-squeeze clamps. Secure the tube in place with the clamps. Apply grease to the cam rollers and the exterior of the replacement tube. Wrap the replacement tube around the cam and hold it in place. Then install the cam and replacement tube into the chemical pump. Ensure the tube is fully pushed into the channel before replacing the cover. Note: align the tube towards chemical sensor. Note: do not over-tighten the clamp. Note: do not use zip ties. Press the snap cover into place. Replace the chemical pump box cover and tighten the 2 screws on each side. Note: all high-temperature sanitizing machines will have a pump for detergent and rinse aid. The AM16 SCB chemical sanitizing machine will also have a pump for sanitizer. High-temperature machines equipped with the automatic de-lime system will also have a pump mounted internally for de-limer. Check the pump for correct operation before returning the machine to service.